Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing stuck processes so Chrome can rebuild a fresh session. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S, or use your OS Task Manager. Once done, end every Chrome-related process, including helpers. This clears hung tabs and frees memory. Make sure to save any unsent form data first. Then launch Chrome again. If loading improves, you've removed a common transient block and can proceed to deeper fixes only if necessary. Next, you isolate configuration problems by disabling extensions and clearing site data. Open Chrome, //extensions and turn off all extensions. Once done, reload the problematic page to see if an add-on caused the issue. If it still loads slowly, clear cache and cookies from Settings Privacy. This removes corrupted resources. Finally, make a fresh user profile or use Chrome, //settings/reset to restore defaults. Because for final remediation, you validate the network and repair or reinstall Chrome. You check another browser and reboot your router to rule out DNS or ISP problems. Once done, flush your DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons or the system equivalent to remove stale records. If loading still fails, uninstall Chrome, remove the user profile folder, then reinstall the latest build. This ensures no corrupted binaries remain. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: test on a different network to isolate local network policies or ISP blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.